Oh, hi guys. This is Owen, and I'm too lazy to make this in French, so I'm going to make it in English. So, first of all, here is the address up here in the address bar. You can always type this in and you'll come here, but you are not logged in yet. So, if you click on one of the downloadable documents here, it says you must be logged in to download this file because I've protected all of our documents. So that means you can view the site and some of the things on the site, like here, nouveau organigramme, stop laughing. Here is a small version, and if we click on it, we get the full-size version of the diagram we had been working on. So some things you can view without logging in, but some things like downloading documents that are available, you can't do it unless you log in. So on the right-hand side of the page, in the Meta widget, click Login and enter your username and your password. And if you don't remember what it is, check your email. And if you still don't remember, maybe on Monday or Tuesday, tell me and I will give you a new password. So then just log in. And this is your dashboard, tableau de bord. So, but I won't do it in French, but I will show you. Go up here to the drop-down menu and click Français, and now the tableau de bord is in French. I haven't done this yet in French, so I don't know if some of the plugins are localized for French, but in any case, there's probably one main thing you're going to do when you use this, and that's to make posts. So to do that, click Article here, and that exposes you can modifier, so that means anything that exists already, you can modify it, you can add a new one, you can choose keywords, blah, blah, blah. We're going to do add a new one. So you give your post a title here. I'll just say testing, and then I'll say testing. And in fact, I'm going to go, here's your post. One other thing is I know HTML very well. So here you can see HTML and visual. This is if you want to add formatting to your document using the HTML code directly, but you may want to just keep it at visual. And then of course you see you have all of the alignment options, bullets and numbering, bold, everything you could possibly want here. I thought it would be useful to be able to sort by posts that have documents to download and posts that have diagrams in them. So if you go to the site and you only want to see, you're trying to find a document, then you can click, well, I'll show you in a minute how to do that. So let's say this is our article. And let's say we want to add a picture. You can put the cursor where you'd like the picture, and then here, add a photo. You can click on this. Here are some of the things that we have already added. So I'm going to show it to you. When you add a photo, a lot of this is optional, but put a title. But here I want to show you down below, this is really important. I would select middle size, and this is the size it's going to be. And this is selected adresse web du fichier. And this means that we'll see a small version of this image in the post, but because the image is now a link, when we click on it, it will open in a bigger window, and I'll show you what that looks like in a minute. So make sure you give it a title, click here to make it a clickable link, choose a size. Okay, so once you've made all these selections, then you just click Insérer dans l'article, and that will automatically put it into the article. So let's just publish that and say, voila, we have published our article. And if you want to see it, I'm going to open it in a new tab so I can get back to this much quicker. And so I click here. Okay, here's this nonsense article. that we added. Here's a small version of the image. If we click on it, we get a full screen with nothing but the image, not the text. So that's good. Let's go back. I have tagged every post that has a document in it with documents. So on the right, in the sidebar, this is called the tags widget. If I click on documents, it's going to show me all the posts that have a document that you can download. So if you can't find a document and you want to just see the post with documents, click here on documents and you'll see the post, and then you say, ah, this is the one that we used for this is the one we gave to Chantal after we had our rendezvous. And then you click here. And notice now that I'm logged in, if I click here to download it, here I can download this image because I'm logged in. I protected the documents so our competitors can't download and view our documents, although they can see all the fantastic things we're doing. And the same thing, if you are trying to work on some part of our project and you want to see some diagram and you can't find it, and you click on organigramme, I think that's what you would say. Now all of the posts that have some kind of a diagram in them show up as well. And then you click on it and you have a full-size version, and it's nice and easy to see and to use. Okay, so we'll go back. Let's see, I want to show you the calendar, because look here, here's the event calendar. And it's not, here in red is an event that happened. And if I were to click on this event, it would show me the post in which I said that there was an event, and the event was when all of us, except for one of us, came together to work on the document. And here is the result. By the way, one of you, if you don't have the cahier des charges, but I think Samuel has sent it to everyone, you could just download it from here.